Hello guys, it's your favorite chef here and I'm back with another amazing recipe which is the Masa or Waina recipe. This recipe gives 20 pieces of medium sized fluffy masa. Let's dive in. So to get started, I'll be adding 2 cups of my soaked tuwo rice into a blender. Make sure your blender is good. And then I'll be adding 1/4 cup of cooked rice. It should be overcooked. If you have to, you can use two. Then I added some onions, some salt, and half sugar. Then I'll be adding some yeast. Add some water, and then you blend it till it's smooth. Just like that. This is the consistency you should be looking for. Okay? And as you can see, my batter is so smooth. So after that, I will just cover it with a kitchen towel and allow it to rise for, I think it was 30 minutes or so. So here is my proof masa batter. I'll be adding the remaining sugar and then some more chopped onions. Oops. And then I'll mix in everything together. So at this point, I find out that my batter is not is too thick, so I added more water and then mix together, just like that. As you can see, my paste or the consistency of this batter is running, like it's not thick and it's not thin. It's even in between thin. Yeah. So it's time to fry my masa. You see those tiny bubbles? That's what you should be looking for. Okay. So you coat your masa pan with some oil. If you don't have masa pan, you can use your normal frying pan and just fry it like you would fry pancakes. We call that sinasir in Hausa. But if you have masa pan, then you're lucky. Here I'm adding my baking powder. I forgot to add it there, and then I'll mix everything together and pour it into my masa pan, just like you're seeing in the video. You will find the detailed description and ingredients in the description box below. Yeah, just like that, you allow it to cook for a while and then you pleat, okay? Pleat, pleat. Yeah. So you just pleat it all and you allow it the other side to get cooked too, and basically you just keep pleating until you've achieved the desired color that you want. For me, I like my masa in between, not too golden brown and not too white, okay, in between. So that's what you do. Don't forget you should fry this on medium heat, not high heat and not low heat, okay. So I'll use this opportunity to tell you guys, to remind you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing recipe, and also follow me on Instagram. I post recipes every day on my Instagram handle at Chef Amor, so you wouldn't want to miss that. I hardly even post here now. I don't know why, but I'll try to be active more on YouTube. So as you can see, you just need to keep leafing until you achieve the desired color that you want, and poof, your masa is done. If you want to see how I make the Miyan Taushe recipe for this masa, you should stay glued to my page or go check on my Instagram. The recipe is already posted there, okay? Look at that masa, beautiful, fluffy, so inviting. By the way, there are a lot of people that have tried this masa recipe on my Instagram and have been receiving positive, good results, okay? So give this a try and let me know how it turns out, okay? All right, guys. So bye bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Chef Amos. Bye.